day 2, and today's May 11th. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. And it's currently 10:41, and I think we're going sa Big Sur. It's like a coastal area na maganda. Ito parang BM eh. Ay, okay na pala. Charing.
Nangyari?
Isushoot mo lang oh.
Oh, yeah. Paano siya nabuksan?
Parang beamer. Yung parang chuk. 27. Ilan ba yung galon? Tingnan natin. Wala na. May high school teachers ano na.
Okay na yan.
Wala ko resibo nakita. Ano ba yarn?
Walang pindot?
Wala na. Back to zero. But yeah. Sabi ko, paano mo nalamang stop na yun? Parang ano daw, nanlaban. Nanlaban.
Just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day. Swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet.
So ano, nagustuhan nyo ba yung mga pangmalakasang views ng Big Sur? So ngayon, it's past lunch time na. So we're currently here, Big Sur River Inn Motel. May dining area doon. So I heard okay naman kumain. And we're famished. Ibang level na yun.
Last store doon. Gusto mo i-check? I'll just sit here for now.
So guys, 1 hour daw yun. Kakain muna tayo ng mamon. Nagugutom na ni. Anong gusto mo? Let's do butter mamon. Ha?
Outside food.
Bibilisan ko na, hindi na carry.
And I'll go for it.
Ha?
Should be fine.
I mean, outside food probably yung kanin ulam. Ay mo.
Lambot?
Lambot, diba? Ito, red ribbon. Is the one outside available?
No, it's all inside.
Parang chuchal a little bit. May calamari. Parang ito na yung food. Yun na yun. Guys, puti na yung mata namin. Rina, ano oras pa ako nag-update sa inyo kanina? Parang
Open.
past lunch yun eh, 1-ish. I would say 1:30 ata. Check ko mamaya. Basta yun.
For which one?
Yung kanina, pagbaba natin ng car.
Pagbuka ng bar?
Oo, tapos guys, wala pang food.
4:30.
Ano na oh. 3:04. dilat na yung mata namin dito. Service-wise, parang lumaga pa kayo doon. Pero kasi nakalagay sa menu nila sa pinakababa, 20% gratuity included. Parang scam po yan. But you know, we could put the percentage sa like, later part. Pero nakalagay na daw. Ewan ko, let's see later. Can we have some ketchup, please? Guys, ano na? Narinig nila after a minute.
Okay, sunog.
Narireklamo ka pa ba? Tanggalin mo na lang yung carcinogenic part niya. Thank you. Okay naman?
No.
Ha? Okay na po.
Pag hintay ka ng 2 hours, wala, lahat okay na bud.
Malawalo cheddar cheese na tinanong niya, akala ko kasama. Tingnan mo, 20%. Matic, wala nang choice.
DMT large oh.
Ha?
DMT large.
Hi guys! Day 3. I forgot mag-outro na yesterday because we're so tired. But basically, we just dropped by sa Ross to like, you know, check out some stuff. Pero parang winners din siya ng Canada. It's May 12. Ang weather ay here in Salinas 14 degrees and umulan. Tingnan nyo. Basa yung mga damo. But yeah, today we're heading to San Francisco to check out yung Golden Gate. You know, famous touristy spots. So yeah, come along. So magpapagas tayo. Tapos wala silang like dot-dot mo lang dyan. So, insert card. Ayun, credit. Do not remove. Approved. Remove. Okay. Uncle if not, no. Wait a moment. Ano gusto mo ito? Ito lang? No. Remove nozzle and choose. Okay. Ayun, may lock yata siya. Yun. Wala kasing ganito yung una namin pinagasan, so parang manual yarn. Quick coffee stop kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. Bagong-bago. Hindi pa nagsasawa. Do partner discounts here? Yeah, let's say for works. Okay. Can I do 2 grande ice shaken? Add brown sugar for both. And substitute the milk with vanilla sweet cream.
I think it's safer to do the numbers.
370.
It worked.
It worked!
Okay.
On credit, please.
Family.
Yeah, I'm from Calgary, Canada. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. This is my first time in US basically.
No
So
way.
today we're exploring San Francisco. And I want to like, you know, get a quick coffee fix.
Yeah.
And I took a week off from work. But yeah, I mean, I want to try all the San
Oh
Francisco.
my. So you're just like exploring around.
Yes, basically.
Have you
But
gone to
the
any
week-
nice spots there?
Yesterday we went to Big Sur.
Okay.
And then the day before, we went to Santa Cruz and San Jose.
Ooh,
I think.
downtown?
Yes.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice.
So yeah, more of it today.
There's a lot, I feel.
Yeah. Thank you, yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
Kitain na lang si Lord. We just finished visiting yan. Yung parang may point to na maglalakad, hike, galore, ganun. But yeah, it was so nice. Maganda yung weather at walang masyadong tao. So which is a plus. So yeah, I would recommend go on a weekday. So today's a Monday. So good timing, good timing. So next stop would be the chocolate Ghirardelli, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Yun yung next stop namin. So yeah, let's go. So we're currently here sa Larkin Beach. Paano magbasa na? Hindi na alam. But yeah, we're here sa Ghirardelli Square. And this one, so nice. Another hiking session. Okay pa ba ang hiking? Ay,
Good.
gikapoy na ko ah.
Bago na ha?
So guys, nasa baba yung Ghirardelli. Hiningal.
Oh, hiningal.
Pero kasi may kainan sa taas. Eto. And naiihi na rin ako. Pero gutom na rin kami. So dito na kami. Ganda ng view mo ah. Bakit?
Mexican Coke. Wow, Mexican Coke. Ikaw,
Saan?
nasa booze free.
Saan? Anong number?
Good. Drink.
This one, the Mario Trinity.
Para Trinity Garden.
Question, do you have quesadilla here?
Yeah, there's one. You can make it with la kosher or just the cheese quesadilla.
I
or
want just the cheese.
just the cheese quesadilla. Sure.
Yeah.
You want like an appetizer or
What's the difference? Like how big?
it's the same one. Just if you want it first or later, it's the same.
Now, like now.
Okay. With the barrel.
And then for you,
Carne asada?
We don't have carne asada.
what is the nearest one? Like similar? Do you have?
It's okay, I'll just get your beef.
Birria tacos.
Yeah.
Got it.
Then you said drinks.
And then for drinks, can I get your Mexican Coke?
Mexican Coke. Do you want ice on the side?
Yes, please.
Yung Mario Trinity. Asan yung bag mo?
Sa akin.
Bakit mas masarap tingnan? I mean, mukhang sunog. Pero alam ko blue corn tortilla chip kasi yan.
Ito alam mo na.
Kaya siya parang
Ito yung
corn.
original.
Hindi, parang, baka, hindi natin alam. Thank you.
This one is the habanero sauce, just the couple with that because it's
So
really
hot.
spicy. This one is medium, mild, and sour.
Thank you. Dito ko sa Wilton.
Try mo, babe.
Wait lang. Be careful. Grabe naman ka-cheesy. Layuan mo na yung isang sauce. Careful na yung sabi niya eh.
Try ko.
Oh, sige.
Ito, di ba?
Maliit lang.
Babe. Babe.
Anong lasa?
Ooh. Ooh.
Kasasabi lang kasi ni ate, be careful. Anong lasa?
Grabe. Holy.
Nakanig kasi sa sinasabi ni ate. Ito daw yung wishing ano ba, well?
Well,
Mukha bang well?
yes.
Well.
Tanggap ba yun ang debit?
Sige.
Swipe. Swipe.
Anak picture. Ito ang ice cream. Ice cream muna. Home of the world famous hot fudge sundae. Wow. Hello, how are you? Good, how are you? Di ba?
Kung ano,
Kaya
parang-
nga, bibili tayo later, pero ice cream muna ang priority. Ito kaya, cookie crumble hot fudge sundae. Ito. Sa baba.
Which one are you?
Ito.
Cookie. Which one? Cookie crumble?
Ito. What is? Yeah, this as well. It's okay, this. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you. May maliit pa siya na version. Ay, wow. Caramel. Ooh. Per half pound. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung paano i-pronounce.
Alam ko lang si ano eh, yung artista. Bonicelli.
Chop.
Approve?
So, katatapos na namin doon sa chocolate experience na thing with ice cream. Now, nandito kami sa Lombard Street. It's a famous spot na zigzag yung road. I'll attach a photo here if gusto nyo mag-visualize. Hindi ko kasi alam kung makikita. But ito siya ngayon.
Parang ganda po siya.
Kita nyo yun guys, yung parang isla doon. Yun yung Alcatraz Island. Yun yung parang, ano ba dati, like high. Ala, ang cute naman ang aso. Parang baby yung dala niya. Ano to? Anong tawag doon? Diyan kinukulong yung mga high
Parang high profile.
pero
criminals.
parang ang chika, parang may nakaalis. So parang hindi na confirm kung patay or what.
Correct.
But yun na, hindi na siya ginagamit. Ano na siya, naging tourist spot na siya.
Correct.
And it looks scary sa mga videos na napanood namin. So I don't wanna try. Pero siguro pag maraming time kami, stop. Pag maraming time, why not? But yeah, punta kami medyo pa ganun para makita natin ang close. I think to sum up day 3, we're gonna end day 3 here. So traffic right now, I think possible pa ba makita natin from afar. Let's see, going home basically. But yeah, see you tomorrow.